For French people, food is the most important thing in life. I was born to be a chef. You know, when you cook, you start cooking with your heart. A book is just a guide. You got to use imagination. You got to try to do something different from the other one. Take an idea from left or from right, you know. I suppose every person dreams when they go to Paris, they want to go to a bistro. So we got all those classical dishes. It's nice, yes. It's perfect. When you cut meat, you never put the sauce on top of it. The sauce will be all around the meat. Without a good stock, there is no French cooking at all, you know. I think it's quite rewarding to make your own stock. Even the first time, I'm pretty sure it will be 10 times better than from the one you buy in the supermarket. What is very important when you cook meat, any type of meat, can be a steak, is to give a good rest, you know. Like if you cook a steak for 10 minutes, give him a 5-minute rest. Most important thing in a sauce, in any type of food, seasoning. I always repeat to my chef, you know, the difference of good food and bad food can be a pinch of salt. Enjoy. I'm going to start with the original recipe from my grandmother, so if you don't like it, you can complain to her. One of the most important things in life is to share knowledge with the next generation. I'm going to do exactly that with you. I'm Pierre Koffmann. This is my BBC Maestro course on French classical bistro cooking. Bon appétit!